last question is bag juice or box juice?
Box juice.
Box juice? Why is that?
No, bag juice, because bag juice is more serve long.
Bag juice serve longer than box
Yeah,
juice?
because when you go and put the box juice and your mouth is done. And when you suck the bag juice, it take long for done.
So you have ice in it?
Eh?
You have ice?
Yeah, and it make it, and it's more stay long.
Box juice.
Why?
Bag juice done too fast.
Alright, so the size is the problem.
3-4 bag juice, man. The cold bag juice, that's what people always go to us still, you know. Yeah, because I don't know.
With a little ice in there? Yeah.
It's right, yeah.
Bag juice.
Why?
Because I don't know so broke my breath.
It's cheap.
Box drinks, 100, 120, 140 go up. As long as you get out even $50, can buy it. Even $40.
Mr. Bag juice we work with, we poor people kind of box drinks, a bag juice $50, we good to go, it's alright.
So how much for box juice now?
This man don't know I can't afford it. I work with what I can afford. $50, please and thank you.
Box juice.
Why?
I'm not really a fan of box juice.
You know, give you a little nostalgia, you remember school and, you know, easy days, easy life.
When I go to school, chubby and them juice there.
Okay guys, you heard it. Chubby for the rich.
Box juice.
Box juice? Why? I like a suck. Remember like a little suck. I say you not deal with the suck.
No, don't get me wrong, you know. Be careful what you ask about suck, you know.
I know the people them call it though, like a suck, like a box juice. Them no, like a ice in there, yeah.
That's a primary school,
So
but
primary school you have suck, but now you drink box juice.
box juice. So me, you know, problem local power, adrenaline.
Suck.
Yeah, bag juice, you know, call it bag juice.
How? It tastes better than box juice?
Because the two of them are the same product.
Box juice and box juice?
Of course, when you check it out, are the same powder they use. So nothing to make with syrup, I just the powder. It's not the same thing. Of course, bag juice tastes good, because bag juice tastes good, do not lie.
Well, me man, me drink the two of them, you know, so anyone of them.
If you have to drink one for the rest of your life,
Box drinks.
why?
That's maybe a true enough.
Nice.
Bag juice nice with ice, man. Yeah, man. Nice.
Nice with ice, man. Tell you that's the best thing.
Watch out, natural juice.
Natural juice. So what is your favorite natural juice?
And I say, I want to drink a bag juice.
But you have bag drink and bag juice. Some of them have orange juice. Alright. So what is your favorite natural juice?
I'm not a favorite natural juice. I'm natural and I mean make it.
You make them?
Yeah.
Do all of them you make by yourself?
No, I mean like make it a yard and drink.
Right.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, thanks for stopping. Alright, thank you. Alright, thanks so much, Joel. Yeah, man, nice to meet you. Thank you so much. Alright, thanks,
Thank you,
Simon. Thanks for stopping, guys. Bye, you too. Alright, thank you so much, Miss Teddy's. Really appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by. Well, halfway through has spoken. They've told us their favorite fast food, their Jamaican items, which many things that more people that's the cake soup. Don't know them on them after the second house. And bag juice after the way. Bag juice nice anytime, any day with a little ice. Yeah.